Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, there is one picture when I see, this video now for our ladies. We be say they believe say now to beating I be love for them, For me, beating not be love. Beating not be love, my people. And I need to see one picture when a man take this your wife, when he take beat your wife, if you see beating, when I go not say beating they pass each other. If you don't see the woman head, if not be say YouTube not they allow those kind of things, and for beg my friend may give me the picture, but they don't they allow those kind picture. When I need to see the woman head back, if finish, that is, I don't really understand our ladies. A man where do they beat you on and they date each other. Don't believe say the man go change if you don't born for him, if he marry you. He not go change. That beat don't enter your blood will be say, he believe for your own way, say not to beat woman, not be disciplined. No, not be to beat woman. If a woman they do it, it go verse you, come for house for her. Or not even eat food. There is different ways to really discipline woman. I go even pass the beating. You understand? Beating, not be love. So people they take this marriage thing like one kind do or die something. Marriage not be do or die. If you work out, you work out. If you don't still work out, everybody go in separate ways. Without no injury for body, without no beating. Beating, not be love, and made it talk all the time. I don't understand the way our ladies take this marriage something like one kind, like say, man, they there, man, they get patient, it go change, it go change, because of my children. Now make I did there. If not, I for come out, my dear people, not because of children make you did there. If the man still kill you, that children they go there on their own. You still leave the children. Why not just come out at the beginning? They see that beating. Sometimes why this beating not good? Sometimes if you go beaten for wrong place, when you the man say not even expect you go kill him, you say die. What happened for Germany that time now? She be they don't forget the woman now. They don't forget him. Nobody they remember that woman again now. She don't die, leave children, or because he was man purposely buy knife to kill her. And before that man get that man to do that thing, that man don't feel they beat him before. And according to what we hear that I say, the man felt they threaten and saying go kill her one day. She this in a joke. How can a man go to threaten you saying go kill you? This is a joke. You really did it. I don't understand. So many we would all see. Yeah? When our women, some of them will now take get sense. Many dey this situation right now. They go there. The man go they beat him. They go say it go change. I want it change. How you go take change, my people? It don't enter your blood. It don't enter your blood. There's no two ways about it. I get one friend that time where be say, a man na so beating. A boyfriend do. When he later come out, get the man to come out with the boy on the back. He say lie. He will never. He say one of his aunt not the walk away again, or because of beating. He say so the boy they beat at that time too much, so he not fit. You see, he say she not fit. So then now she don't marry to another person. She happily married. You understand? Because a stone where they say they come for up. Not let that stone meet you before you go know say so they come. Because if he meet you now, he go meet you. You understand? Benin go so when I beg go there, I don't understand the way some of our people say they behave, They take this marriage something like what kind, like do or die things, like what you will not feel live. Did they make two of you together? When they call this word, say you meet that kind of man before. As you come meet him, say no work out, go. Say sometimes my people, you go marry to your enemy. you this na your husband you marry. You know say na your enemy wey devil just send can't give you, now you marry. But you go to say you marry because if people come and say they marry, you go to say yes, I'm a married woman. Alright, you are just dying there. You are dying in silence. Many people do this kind of situation. Okay, this story will be the talk just now. The man they beat this woman, they not go stop until when they come break his head. When he said they even arrest this man. When they arrest the man, they come the man lawyer and the IPO, they can't go to beg the woman for corner. I beg now, make a raise this case. If not, they go jail the man. I beg. So she now say Mrs. Lover where she be now. Now she can't really say, you can't go meet judge say the case he want close, and the judge say, are you kidding me? Are you serious? He say yes. He want close the case because he in love pass for this word, because when you feel con life, you don't feel love before. So now he say judge can't verse, judge can't go inside house, come and say you can't go inside one room, go stay for some kind of minutes. Say like, is this woman okay? Like, is she kidding me right now for what did this man do? Now she can't really say now judge can't come and say not when go talk again. See the woman say no want case, so let's close the case. So may they release the man. So now they can release the man. OP said the man will change. Mona asked me, the man change? He not change. He continue for where he stop. I want to change. Waited all day blood. How you believe say go change? He not go change. A man where they wicked. What have I told just now? A man where they wicked. I say sometimes person go marry to your enemy. That man are your enemy. Not be your husband. Now your enemy. Now you marry. After everything, you still come out for the marriage. After everything, wait for let that man suffer. Mainly they do one for year too. The man go they kill them. Police go say no. You go for one story talk. No, now your mama die. In they cry. And you go for one lie talk. You go the cover for the mama. What you the cover for? Have you ever asked yourself whether this man really love you? You don't ask yourself whether this man love you. You don't ever ask yourself whether I did do so not true. That is I did deceive myself, or I did deceive people. You are deceiving yourself, my dear. You are not deceiving people. You are deceiving yourself. You people should stop doing all those things. It's not that is the thing not good for ear again at all. You people should stop it. There is one when I know that time. The man every time so fight. Dating no come reach marriage, so fight. At the end, what the end of my death, the woman die because of beating. The woman die. You know, that is. Our ladies to believe all those things. Say the man go change, go change. You know, go change. What he don't learn now. It take by the grace of God for him to change. That is if he go change. That is if you not get devil mind. Eh? Una not they allow all those kind of men they come on our life again. Una not deserve all those kind of men now. The children when una they say now because of children on one day. At the end, the man go still do the worst. The children, you don't go still live, and if he kill you, you still live on. So why not just come out at the beginning where you see the thing? Where you just see and say, this thing is not going anywhere. Just run for your life. Run for your life. Not let all those kind of men, not let them come on our life again, I beg. Many days now. Mona use this one to get sense. Many days. I go send this, only the picture give like people will be say, where they my WhatsApp, but say make I put that for my, I know if people time because the thing too horrible. Not be waiting the people for video. You need to see human be head. How this matter this go the head. Whether na hammer or na let God know what he use. Say before you know that he turn back with the man just didn't knock head. You know? So my people, Mona 1 year. Make una they look mad before una marry. Make una they look mad. Make una they look mad before una marry. I beg for na hear any noise that they work for my house here. You know, na cause am. Make una they look mad before una they marry. Make una not dey carry, dey marry all those kind men again, abeg. They be devil wey dey send come. Not be una husband at all, not be love. Una go just dey there, they die in silence, all because una marry. Those one not be marriage, my people. Not be marriage. Not be marriage. Man go dey beat una also, he go change. I want to change. And the funny part, police go want come rescue. Now many for Europe here. Where police go want come rescue. Go say now, he go find one big light talk. Now that want to go see himself for Nigeria at that time too. When the man they beat him already, say no, they can say they go even give him documents. So that made they deal with this man because he don't tell where they beat him. He say he later say no, because he love pass. Mrs. Lover. Mrs. Lover at the end. What it can end up. The man when they cover for me, they not arrest him. And the man say come finish him at the end. At the end, the man when they cover for, not be the man, still finish him. Now the man say deport him. So what are we not talking about here? A man without a beat woman, it's by the grace of God for him to change. He not go fit change. So, my dear people, make una dey look man before una marry. A man without they date you, without they beat you, una dey date. You see that beating not go stop and go still continue. Number one, they not born the pikin for you. Say they not born the pikin for the man. Say make they beat the woman. No. They give you say marry him. If you know say you not feel marry him again and you not love him again, instead when you go carry him with one eye, go give him mama. You better leave him at the earlier stage. Say you know they marry again. No, when a pikin not get character, not get this. Carry and go give him mama like that. Not be say you go blind one of your eye before you go give him. Who you say make him marry him? Who you say make him marry now you will be man. We go watch this video later now they talk to. Who you say make him marry him? After you don't this go and finish, you don't finish your face for him. There is one when I know that I say he don't blind the eye. You know they use eye to see where he go and they still there. That is they do now this thing now will be some women they do now they not see man wanna come life. We be say this one wanna come now say now die when I want to end them. God forbid. May God not let me the marriage win happiness not the now to run for my dear life and I go be that one. So my people, make una dey look man before una marry. I beg. See this lady now. She don't cry in your heart. See head. That is suppose she died that day. What did she for talk? They not go leave the children. So my people, I beg. Make una dey look man before una marry. I beg. Now beg I dey beg una. So thank you everybody. Until I come your way next time, I remain Lady Jail. So if you be a woman, we be say you did die in silence, you know, if you do not if you talk out, call me. Call me. No more of the talk on things art now. Social media that day. We will keep on our secrets. We're not gonna call on our name. They're not gonna know person what we're talking about. So on our secrets go remain for my hand here. You know we'll go anywhere. So thank you everybody and take care and share this video for me. Anybody will see this video, I beg, let me share them. Share them so that make they see them, so that make they receive sense. Because some of our ladies they need to receive sense. Really. So thank you everybody and take care and share this video, subscribe for me and share this video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.